Okay, so we're going to do a little bit about using your sewing machine safely. So you'll be very aware, obviously, that there is a great big needle here, and when the machine is running, this needle will be going up and down. It's actually quite hard, and I've never actually done it myself, to get your finger under there when the machine is going. Don't do what I just did. But what I would recommend is that you keep your fingers outside of this silver plate and this area here. So you've got, all machines are going to look slightly different, but they will all have a silver or metal plate area here underneath the foot. As long as your fingers are outside of that area, you're going to be safe from the needle. But the other thing that you've got to be aware of is if you notice this going up and down. So when the machine is running at full speed, this goes very, very low down, and if it's running fast, I have had that hit my finger before, and that is extremely painful. So that again is within the zone there. So as long as your hands are outside of that zone, you're going to be pretty much safe. So I'm going to thread the machine. Strictly speaking, when we thread the machine, if you're confident to do it without the light on, you can switch the machine off so that you're not going to accidentally start it. Another way to make sure that that is safe is to just actually take your foot pedal, put it on the table out of reach, so you're not accidentally going to tap your foot on that and start the machine while you're trying to thread your needle. So if we go in here, thread the needle. So anything other than threading the needle, any kind of maintenance other than threading the needle, we're always going to switch the machine off. So if we want to change the foot, we're going to switch the machine off, change the foot, do that. If we want to change the needle, we're going to do it with the machine switched off, and then we don't switch it back on again till we're happy that it's all secured and we don't need to put our hands in that zone. Changing the bobbin, you're pretty much safe to do that with the power switched on, but if you're going to do anything else in that area, like taking these screws off, which you can take off to clean inside the machine, things like that, any kind of maintenance, always with the machine switched off. So if I tend to teach younger children from maybe about age 8 upwards to use the sewing machine, perfectly safe for them to do that, but never unsupervised, and always at your judgment whether your child is ready to learn or not. Never leave your children unsupervised with the sewing machine or with scissors, with needles, with pins, anything like that. Make sure that you've taught them all the safety rules first and they know how to do it safely, and you are watching them at all times when they're doing it, because obviously it's moving fast, it's electricity, it's sharp things, always with caution and with concentration.